In this video, I'll share 5 passive income ideas that has helped me earn $1,000 plus per month, and I'll show you some proofs also. Well, I can understand the pain of going through the income roller coaster where you have seasonal earnings, right? And you have to manage all your expenses on that seasonal earnings only. And I can understand all the pains of yours. But the pain that you have will go very soon. Because just imagine, you'll have passive income coming in. You're just putting your effort first, and then the money will flow in. Just imagine how good your life would be. Like, you don't have to worry about your expenses anymore. You don't have to worry about paying bills anymore because you have that income flow that is going on. But I want you to pay attention and take notes, because it's really important for you to take notes and work on it just right now. Because if you spend 1-2 days thinking about it, 1-2 weeks thinking about it, 1-2 months thinking about it, and you don't know, it will be 1-2 years that you will be thinking about it. So I want you to take action, do something about it, and you have to put in some good efforts for sure. You have to put in good efforts, but it will pay off very awesome. And one thing that I want to tell you is passive income is not always passive. Well, you have to get the truth. It's not always passive. Like, I see a lot of the people on the social media and internet saying that, oh, you have to earn this passive income. You know that you scroll through Instagram and you see all the passive income ideas. Well, that's all BS. I mean, passive income is not like that. You can't just relax, sleep, watch Netflix and you will earn money. No, it won't be like that. I mean, it's not like that. Money is not the thing that happens and that you can earn by sleeping, watching Netflix. No, but the thing is, you have to work, but you can decrease the amount of work. You can use leverage. The key word over here is leverage. So you can leverage more and more and more. The passive income, you can leverage like your other people's money, other people's time, other people's effort, all these things. And then you can make passive income. The first passive income idea is creating an online course. Well, the trend of online course is very high, especially in this pandemic time. Like, every person is trying to watch online courses and take online education, all these things, and the trend has gone so rapidly. You can see this chart, how the trend has already gone so up, and it is expected to go up and up and up, the online education, because people are aware of it. And online courses has already made me like $30,000 plus up to now, and it will keep on going on and on and on, more and more and more, right? Can't emphasize more on the importance of online education and online courses that you can create. The potential is so freaking high. And some of the ways you can host your online courses are, first way you can do is through the platforms that are already there, like Udemy, Skillshare. You can get their customers also. They will do all the marketings for you. And if you want to get all of the money, you want to create your own business out of it, you can host on Kajabi, your own LMS, right? Learning management system. The second passive income ideas is YouTube. I think this is the most popular channel of passive income. I mean, everybody is talking about this, right? YouTube. Because you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for it. But once you qualify, it's really easy to make money from YouTube. You just make these kinds of videos, you just get paid, right? But apart from AdSense, if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and you don't have 4,000 watch hours, you can do something else. You can sell your own product, you can sell your own service, you can maybe create some courses that I said, then you can sell it on your YouTube channel. You can do affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel. There is a huge potential. The main thing that you want to do with your YouTube channel is create an audience, create a community, okay? I see a lot of the people trying to make videos and just for themselves, right? Just as their hobby. No, you gotta create a community. Like we are here, right? We are a community, right? We are an elite community. So subscribe now if you want to join this elite community. So like this, you have to create your own community, right? And people should love your channel. People should love your content like that. And right here in Kovid Panthy YouTube channel, we create awesome value. We provide entertainment plus value, right? We provide a lot of information and tips and tricks that you can utilize to enhance your life standards and like that. The third passive income idea is affiliate marketing. Now, why do I put affiliate marketing in this video? Because that's the truth. Like, you can just get a passive income. Like, I'll just give you an idea. If you create a good audience on YouTube and you link your products or whatever you have affiliate marketing, maybe books, for educational videos, maybe for entertainment videos, merchandise or something like that, right? You can put something, you'll just get paid like that, because people come to your video, they'll check your affiliate page, and then they will buy it, right? So the main thing that you have to do is create an audience. That's really crucial. For the passive income generation, either you should already have an audience, or you have to create, or you have to buy an audience, right? That's the only way you can do it, right? The passive income. So I used to do affiliate marketing, and now I'm not paying attention that much into affiliate marketing because that's not my thing. It's not something that I love to do. But anyways, like previously I used to do that. So I'll also show you my screenshot of how much I have earned previously. Like I don't work even right now. So how much I've earned previously with affiliate marketing. And this is really popular way, and this is, I think, almost the easiest way to earn more money and earn more passive income. The fourth passive income idea, I think this is, now we are getting into investment parts. For somebody who is just starting out, I would not say just get into the stocks. The fourth and the fifth points are for those who are already doing some financing works and are already playing a little bit with money and things like that. And they already know about how money works, right? They have already a good experience on finance management and all these things, right? Because investment is something that you must do after you have certain knowledge about how you can manage money, how you can put aside some money for investments. So if you are just a beginner, I would suggest you to go with the option 1, 2, 3, right? That we just talked about. If you don't know, just rewind the video, just watch it again and just note it down, right? And if you are already in those three, I've already have some experience on finance and money, and then you can go to these investment parts a little bit. Now stocks is basically, I think everybody knows it, but anyways, stocks is something that you buy from a certain company, you buy a certain percent of that company, you get paid the dividend every year. And along with that, value of your stocks is also increasing. You have two profits, right? You have a stock over here, you have a dividends. So you will get certain percent of your main stock price, and then you'll get certain percent of your dividend, and the dividend you will get paid every year. But stock price is also going up, so you will have the money, the cash flow, and the net worth will be also increased. It's a really good way to start investing. If you're just starting out investing, I would suggest you to just go to near stock agent and just start investing in stocks. If you don't want to directly go into stock, and if you want to still check other ways out, I would say put aside certain percent of every income that you have, and later on, after you have certain investment amount, you can then invest. No problem with that, right? So, but you must invest in order to multiply your money. A fifth passive income idea that I want to give you is, this is not the last. In fact, this is the one that makes you a lot of money, even in millions, even in billions, right? And this is real estate. Real estate is even harder than managing stocks. So if you are not experienced in managing money, never get into real estate. I have not got into the real estate part because I consider myself to be in stocks up to the 4th level, right? I mean, real estate is a big deal, right? I mean, you have to do millions of dollars investment, sometimes billions of dollars of investment if you want to make a big empire or something. If you have the money to invest, it gives you a lot of return on investment. Why? I'll tell you this. I'll give you an example. Let's say you are buying a property for $200,000, right? You're buying a building for $200,000. You renovate that, you add some features on it. Maybe you'll add some fireplace, you would add some good lightnings, you add some chandeliers, something like that, right? Good lightnings, good bedroom. You'll just renovate that. Just imagine, it will just change that value of that same building that you bought for $200,000 into somewhere between $1 million to $2 million. If you have done that renovation so good and it looks good, luxurious, people even buy like for 40, 50, $100 million also. Like, there is no limit, guys. Like, it's really high. So if you are advanced investor, I would suggest you to get into real estate as quick as possible. If you are not, save some money for a future investment plan. I want you to create an investment plan. I was talking with Warren Buffett a few months back, and he said me something very important and very crucial. And that point was, he said, people always talk about my investment strategy, how I invest in long term, but they don't know how I manage my short-term investments also. So he gave me that idea that you must have both short-term plus long-term goals and short-term plus long-term plans. right? So you must have certain plans to make money, like quick money. You need money to pay bills. I understand that. But you must also have a long-term vision of how you're going to make $1 million or whatever is your vision, right? $1 billion, I don't know. So you must have that long-term plan. With the certain plan, that's how you can make it grow more and more and more. And one bonus that I want to give you for coming this far. So if you have not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button below, right? That red button. The bonus way of making passive income is digital state. Well, what's digital state? I would say this is much more powerful than real estate. What is digital state? Now, as the word itself says, digital state. So it's a state of digital world, right? YouTube channel, Instagram, social media handles, your online audience, all these things that is digital is way more powerful. The attention is the new currency, right? So if you can grasp the attention of your audience, that would be really valuable. I mean, digital asset is the real asset of this era. So if you have not created your online presence, I would urge you, I am insisting you to create your online presence because it's really crucial in at least in next 10-20 years, right? It's really valuable. I would suggest you to go with digital estate first because then you can slowly transition into other paths, because digital estate must invest very little amount and you're getting paid again and again and again. Obviously, it requires a lot of effort from you, but it will pay off. So let's just recap what we learned, the 5 income ideas, passive income ideas that we just covered in this video, and with one bonus also. One was online course, so you can create your online course. Second was YouTube channel, so you can create your YouTube channel, create your funny videos. It can be entertaining, it can be informative, it can be educating, anything, right? So YouTube channel. And third one was affiliate marketing. You can get commission to selling up certain product. And fourth one was to get into the investment part, stocks, right? And fifth one was real estate, so you can do some property deals and like that. And sixth and bonus way of making passive income ideas was digital state. And I've made some videos on how you can make more money with more ways and more new advanced ways of making money. For that, you can click somewhere here in these videos right here. And if you have not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and comment down below what was your key takeaway from this video. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to take action.